Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna look at the JBL Go 3 versus the Sony XB 13. Both of them are a very similar audio spec, so we're gonna try out the audio and to see which one to go for if you are considering buying a small speaker. So let me go through the spec for both speakers very quickly. So first we're looking at the Sony XB 13. It just released a few weeks ago, so it's around £50. It's available in pink, yellow, blue, white, black and light blue. 16 hours of playtime, IP67, water and dust proof, supported by Bluetooth 4.2. Then we're looking at the JBL Go 3, £30, come in black, blue, grey and few mixed colors. 5 hours of playtime, IP67, water and dust proof, supported by Bluetooth 5.1. Both of the speakers have a very similar spec. Now we're going to try the audio, then we will decide which one to go for if you are considering buying a speaker.
Need to know everything, who in the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta get quiet, maneuver in signs to let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, not to stay on the go. I can't play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me, they're not develop again, none of their knows, none of them cold. Need to know everything, who in the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta get quiet, maneuver in signs to let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, not to stay on the go. I can't play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me, they're not develop again, none of their knows, none of them. I need to know everything, who in the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta get quiet, maneuver in signs to let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, not to stay on the go. I can't play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me, they're not develop again, none of their knows, none of them. I need to know everything, who in the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta get quiet, maneuver in signs to let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, not to stay on the go. I can't play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me, they're not develop again, none of their knows, none of.
The GP will see you now.
Look, I don't want to cause no problems. I just want to live my life, but I keep on hearing about nonsense. Me and my dons ain't monsters, but you know when you see imposters, we know how to read them faces, same way you know how to read them comments. If you want to talk, let's talk, but right here, make sure you walk and your talk is constant. Hey, I seen it all before I heard chat that they all adore. 1 week looking like they all aboard. Next day, they don't even walk the walk. I've been here since I bust down act walk, cutting through after all black master. Now I'm too grown for acting gaffer, trying to pay off my madre's gas card. Took the wife and there's a right that speak. At the spice to color, rubber, that's me.
GP will see you now.
Look, I don't want to cause no problems. I just want to live my life, but I keep on hearing about nonsense. Me and my dons ain't monsters, but you know when you see imposters, we know how to read them faces, same way you know how to read them comments. If you want to talk, let's talk, but right here, make sure you walk and your talk is constant. Hey, I seen it all before I heard chat that they all adore. 1 week looking like they all aboard. Next day, they don't even walk the walk. I've been here since I bust down act walk, cutting through after all black master. Now I'm too grown for acting gaffer, trying to pay off my madre's gas card. Took the wife and there's a right that speak. At the spice to color, rubber, that's me. My
GP will see you now.
Look, I don't want to cause no problems. I just want to live my life, but I keep on hearing about nonsense. Me and my dons ain't monsters, but you know when you see imposters, we know how to read them faces, same way you know how to read them comments. If you want to talk, let's talk, but right here, make sure you walk and your talk is constant. Hey, I seen it all before I heard chat that they all adore. 1 week looking like they all aboard. Next day, they don't even walk the walk. I've been here since I bust down act walk, cutting through after all black master. Now I'm too grown for acting gaffer, trying to pay off my madre's gas card. Took the wife and there's a right that speak. At the spice to color, rubber, that's me.
GP will see you now.
Look, I don't want to cause no problems. I just want to live my life, but I keep on hearing about nonsense. Me and my dons ain't monsters, but you know when you see imposters, we know how to read them faces, same way you know how to read them comments. If you want to talk, let's talk, but right here, make sure you walk and your talk is constant. Hey, I seen it all before I heard chat that they all adore. 1 week looking like they all aboard. Next day, they don't even walk the walk. I've been here since I bust down act walk, cutting through after all black master. Now I'm too grown for acting gaffer, trying to pay off my madre's gas card. Took the wife and there's a right that speak. At the spice to color, rubber, that's me.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place, a place where you'll make them just be alone, all those nights lying by your side.
After listening to both the speakers, I will go with the JBL Go. There's a lot of difference in the audio, but JBL have much better bass. Not only that, audio sounds much more clearer. Sony have really good bass, but the audio is not clear for a 50-pound speaker. It should have been much more clearer. It should be much more louder for a 50-pound speaker. So JBL offer you more for a 30-pound than a 50-pound speaker. If you are considering going for a smaller speaker, I will go with the JBL Go 3 or with the Sony XB 13. There's a few reasons why you should go for a JBL Go 3. First, it is the Bluetooth 5.1, so it is the latest version, so you will reduce the chance of delays as well as a connection cut. Second, the audio is much more louder and much more clearer audio than the Sony for a cheaper price. The Sony XB13 do have few features I really like. It does have a built-in microphone where you can connect multiple speakers together. 16-hour playtime, where JBL have 5-hour playtime, so it's a 3 times more than the JBL. For audio, I don't think a 50-pound is worth it for the Sony XB13. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video, leave the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.